G'day YouTube, this is Goggy and it's leaving for work very soon. I woke up a bit early to do some cage improvements. I installed this angle stick there which I found in the cupboard, so I got that. I also gave him a bit of a feed and I put some apricots, things there for them to eat, fed them. And yeah, these are the birds. That's Bluey. That is, what's her name? I just call it Bitch because she's a bitch. I don't like her. Her name's Bitch. This is Jazz. We thought it was a girl, so it was Jasmine initially, and and um, and yeah, and it turns out that this particular breed or color, with the pink nose, is a boy. So there you go. And that is Bob. Now they're being amazingly stoic and for the camera. I must be getting used to the camera now. So that's Bob. Bob's a really clever, smart, funny character. She's cute. She's beautiful, but she's very nasty and does bite hard. But now that I told her off once. She bites, but only like soft. But the roommate is scared of her because she bites hard because he doesn't tell her off. Uh, that's Jazz. He bangs that one there, and they're mating all the time. That's Bluey, who's actually a really handsome little bird. Actually, to be honest. But yeah, he's just there's nothing special about Bluey actually. Um, but he'll grow into himself and be personality soon. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go to work soon. I'll turn the camera on myself. There we go. All right. That's me out. Have a good one, guys. See you.